Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Julia Rose, and today I'm going to be changing my room around to be making it more YouTube friendly. I want to make it a space that you guys want to come back to. I want to create different little nooks and crannies and corners around the room that gives me more options of where to sit, and it changes around a little so it's not so boring for you guys. I want to talk about lighting and the different ways I want to light the room, and just do a bunch of different things to make it a better space for me to film, because I'm enjoying this so much and I just can't wait to make more videos, and I just need to switch the room around. I don't have a huge room, so I'm going to be talking about how to maximize your space and how to use your space. Anyways, I've got lots to do. I'm going to have a huge sort out while I'm doing it as well, because I don't need all these clothes to be in here. Here, let me show you what the room looks like now. Another rail of clothes, a plant, and some lighting equipment, and some more clothes. I just don't know. I don't need all these clothes in here. And then here I am. Hoo-hoo. And then my desk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a huge sort out, clear out, make this room 10 times better, and share it with you while I'm going about it. Enjoy! Okay guys, I'm done. So let me take you on a little tour of my new YouTube room. I've only put my 3 favorite bags at the top. I didn't need to clutter it with all my bags. I sorted out my shoes and got rid of all the ones that I absolutely don't wear. And I've created this new little nook in the corner. So this is another place that I can sit down and talk to you guys. And I've just made it nice. I'm obviously gonna add to that and make it a little bit nicer and a little bit more homely. I've exchanged this rail for the more narrow one. I got these are amazing copper poles from the Little Deer. I got them when I had a store in London, and now I use them at home because they're so gorgeous. And I'm going to hang all my stuff for like the hauls that I'm doing, so you can kind of see them hanging while I'm trying them on and talking about them, which I think will be super beneficial. And I've cleaned up my mirror. And I put it at an angle, so this is another place that maybe I could film. So what I've tried to do is I've tried to create lots of different nooks and crannies in this space that I could film in. I've got this light, so this light is amazing. My room's not big enough for huge box lights. Also, I've got this window here, so I get lots of natural light, but this is like a tube light with some like a diffuser paper around it, and that's really great because I can just move it around the room super, super easy. So let's check it out. I can still record from here and talk to you guys and tell you about my hauls and what I got, and keep you updated. I really love this because it's right in front of the natural light, which is my favorite way to shoot and my favorite way to light. But I can also talk to you from here. And this is another cute little nook and a little space that I can talk to you. It's good to have some material furniture in your room because it really soaks up the sounds and makes it a little less echoey and tinny, and that will work even better when I have clothes on my rail, which is over here. And this is a great place. I can show you the clothes, I can show you some tops, what I'm talking about, and it's always good to just have a little bit of a mix-up in background, even if it's in the same room, so you guys don't get bored watching. I mean, it's good to have continuity so you guys feel like you're coming home, but also it's always good to just mix it up a little. I mean, why not? I found another angle I can shoot at. I'm sat in my chair with my shoes behind me. This is great. So I use this Gorilla Pod, which is amazing. I use it on my desk, and I can curl it around my rail, and I can have it on my shoe rack as well. You can take it out everywhere, fits in most of my big handbags, and it's really great because you can just wrap it around things and make it go at different angles and different heights so easily without doing the clicking and unclicking of like a normal tripod. So that's really, really handy if you want to start YouTubing, I recommend getting one of these. I use the Canon EOS M50 camera, which has proven to be incredible. It's the most amazing camera and I would highly recommend it. It's so easy to use, it's really, really functional, and I'll show you a little bit more about it in the mirror. I can't record my camera when I'm using my camera. I use an external mic with a muff just because I think the sound is just so much better. The lens on it is incredible that comes with it, and I don't feel the need to get a new one. The screen on it is fab. You can pull it out like this, so you can see what you're doing when it's turned around, and it doesn't always look like you're looking at your screen, because that's always a really hard thing to do, is not look at the screen. But what you can also do is it's on when it's closed in the back, so I can see what's filming, but you can also turn it around, so when it's in your hands bag, it's protected. Perfect! I love this camera so much. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this little journey. I can't wait to make more and more YouTube videos. So hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell and it'll let you know when I make another one. Check me out on Instagram because I'm always posting stuff on there, and I'll see you soon.